Hi people, happy Diwali. This Diwali is special because yes, we are celebrating Deepavali in a different country in the fall season in the city of Montreal in Canada. It's a new and festive feeling this time. So first off, some cleaning and sorting to prep the house. Then I collected all the Deepavali decorative items that we got from India and some that we brought right here in Montreal in the Quebec province of Canada. I checked if the lights still work and then I worked up a nice breakfast and some tea overlooking this beautiful landscape from my balcony looking at fall colors. And then the classic Diwali decor item, the light lantern. Now, this lantern that you see is a DIY lantern created from scratch and some household items. It is simple yet it works. And the creator of this lantern just arrived from work. Once he comes inside the house, we will set all these decor items across the drawing room. One by one, we were all done. Now it's time to set the festive savory and sweet dishes in a plate. It's a very simple Diwali puja and arti, but the money this time is green money, the Canadian dollars and some coins. Of course, the mandatory photo session in the festive wear, and then the festive dinner, some post dinner photo session again. And I then just saw outside the window, standing in the balcony of our home in Quebec in the cold weather of the Canadian fall season, looking at the golden glow of so many Montreal houses in front of me. I just started feeling like the whole of Montreal city was celebrating the festival of lights with me. The warmth of the golden glow in the sweater season of Canada. Such a unique experience to have, right? For a few minutes, I felt like things came to a standstill, like they paused. Like this public bus here. I literally rubbed my eyes to see if the bus was actually moving or not. Turns out it stopped due to a different set of lights. Traffic lights, right? Traffic lights. Next day, luckily, we got some sun. I made the most of sunlight with some photos and made the most of the leftovers as breakfast. Happy Deepavali again, people. See you in the next video.